Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to sell personalized jewelry on Shopify. First of all, sign up for a Shopify account. Go to shopify.com and select start free trial. Follow these prompts to enter your email, store name and details. This gives you access to all the tools you need to build your jewelry store. After that, next click online store and search Headman Jewelry or pick a theme that matches your brand. Shopify has plenty of customizable options. Once you have selected a theme, you can easily add your logo, adjust the colors, and create a layout that reflects your jewelry brand's unique style. Now, upload your jewelry items, include high quality photos, clear descriptions, and make sure to highlight the personalization options. Set your prices, shipping details, and you are good to go. Don't forget to set up payment options. Shopify supports multiple payments gateways. Also configure your shipping rates to ensure smooth delivery to your customer. And that's it. You are now ready to sell your personalized jewelry on Shopify. Thanks for watching.